and I'm looking at trees, I'm looking up, thinking about Easter and the new life that's about to arrive. And we happen to have arrived at a wisteria tree, which is most gorgeous, one of the early bloomers in Georgia. And this one is so beautiful. The roots wrap around the base of this light pole and made it so strong. I'm going to try to get just a little cutting. Is it okay? Thanks. And you can see if I take it right above it, there's a little bud, and he was real nice about letting me get it too. And it's beautiful. It's very sweet smelling. And now, look at all around us. So many trees today. This is an old forest, and there's so many different kind of trees that are natural, but there's also some beautiful manicured ones that are just beginning to bud out this time of year. And this is such a gorgeous example. It almost looks like a botanical gardens here. And we're so lucky to have this to walk in. Right now in our lives, with so much sadness of having to stay at home, I'm grateful that we can look up and be reminded. And I hope you have some trees near you. Talk to you soon. Bye.